Hey there, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me and requesting your free video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you guys can start applying right away, and it's really going to help with your online presence as well as getting more organic leads. So you don't have to rely on paid lead service programs like Angie's or Home Advisor or even paid lead or paid ads, because nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. It is really important your website be properly optimized so you can actually capture that traffic. All right, here we are on your website. I love that you have your phone number and email right here. Click to call, click to action. First thing when they land on the page. That is really important. You want it to be super easy for your customers to contact you. I also noticed you have a separate page for each of your major services. This is really good. You definitely want to have that. The more service pages you have, the better. The more you can break out the new construction. Is it residential, commercial? Oh, I guess you do have some up here, so that helps a little bit. But that way you can actually focus on the local relevant keywords for that service and build your content around that. You want to make sure that each of these pages have their own original content and their own keywords that they're targeting. You don't want to target the same keyword on multiple pages or have duplicated content. Google does not like it and will penalize you for it. Let's see. Good. You have some content and interlinking pages. That is important for your SEO. Images are not optimized. Looks like you have some blog articles. So blogging is really good if it's done correctly. If it's done correctly, it can be very powerful for your website. Unfortunately, most people get that wrong. Let's see. Okay. If you're servicing areas outside of Las Vegas, um, you're going to want service area pages for any city or location you service that has search volume, um, keyword volume for each of your services. That way you can actually be found organically for each of those services. And then those pages would be like mini home pages, summary of each of your services, focused around the keywords for the service specific to that location. Okay, your top competitor in Las Vegas is Las Vegas Remodel and Construction. They have a nice site, click to call. Wow, they have a showroom too. Um, Tons of pages. Let's see. Interlinking their pages. That's good. Going after the local keywords. They have a fair amount of content. Content is key when it comes to ranking online. Google does not rank based on appearance, but based on content. So you do need 250 words for every keyword that you want to rank for. And you do need more content than your competitors. So that is going to be really important if you want to become competitive with these guys or even have a chance to outrank them. Now, if we look here, you have a rating of a 2.3 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google does not trust your website. This is 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain, so anything over this is considered spam by Google. Now, this is a popularity contest, and you do need a lot of backlinks, but not all backlinks are good. Not all backlinks work for every industry and company. Um, and so you need to stick to the authoritative do follow links that are directly related to your services and industry. If we look here, you have 73 that are do follows, which means that you only have 73 good backlinks out of over 3,600. You've only been indexed for 31 keywords, but you're getting zero traffic to your website. So it is going to be really, really important that you optimize your website properly and link those keywords with your backlinks so that you can rank them to the first page on Google. If we look at your keywords, none of your keywords are anywhere near the first page. There's 10 spots on Google per page. So your closest ranking keyword is on page 4, and it's a national keyword, so that's not actually going to help you. You need to focus on local keywords. If you go after these national keywords because of their volume, you're getting false metrics. If you're not servicing the United States, you need to stick to local keywords. That way, the people who land on your page are most likely to convert into customers. If we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 7 with 1,500 backlinks, 146 referring domains, which just proves not all are created equal. There's 72 that are do follows. They actually only have 72 good backlinks that you would have to beat in quality and quantity. But these guys have been indexed for over 900 keywords, and they're getting over 1,900 people on average to their website per month. And the last part of this is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 because 30% of people search in the maps and nowhere else. So if you're not in this top 3, you send all those leads to your competitors. Now, in order to get in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are citations, and that's the name of your business, address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. So you will need a lot more than your competition. But when you follow each of these tips I have provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 across Google in your service area for all of your services. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful, and I would really love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.